Hey, what's going on, traders? So just want to recap our trade today. We traded Virgin Galactic, made over $826 on the day, and it was a nice trading session. We also traded QuantumScape, made over $200 on that. And I just want to show you why I took this trade. Hopefully it's beneficial for you. Maybe it will be, maybe it won't. But I would love it if something that you learn from this video helps you out in a future trade and you're able to lock in some profits. So let's go ahead and take a look and see exactly what happened. So back on Friday, which is this trading session here, you can see we traded Virgin Galactic quite a bit. It had a massive day. It was up over 40%. We locked in over $2,000 back on Friday and closed everything out. Yesterday was a Monday's trading session right here. We really wanted to trade this yesterday, obviously, right, because we did so good on it back on Friday, but it just didn't feel right. It wasn't moving the way that we were hoping that it would. It didn't get to the area that we wanted it to be at. So we maintained patience and did not trade Virgin Galactic yesterday, although I really wanted to. And overall, I'm very proud of myself for being patient and waiting for a better opportunity. Yesterday, we just shifted our attention elsewhere to something that made more sense, which was QuantumScape. We traded that yesterday as well, made over 1,000 on that yesterday, and over 200 on QuantumScape again today. And we'll take a look at that as well real quick at the end of the video. But let's go ahead and look real fast at why we took this trade. So you can see here that let's go ahead and get rid of these retracements, and we'll go ahead and draw them again for you. And let's go ahead and get rid of all these trades. So this was Friday's. Let's go ahead and pull up Friday's trading session on the 1 minute chart. All right, so right here. All right, so the $48 area was very important to me yesterday in Monday's trading session. Reminder, we didn't take any trades yesterday. If it did get down to the $48 area, I would have traded it, but it just didn't. However, today it did on Tuesday's session, and we took advantage of that opportunity. Now, why was $48 important? Well, Friday we were up over 40% in Virgin Galactic, okay? We did 20% in the pre-market and another 20% in the intraday trading session. Now, in the intraday session, that 20% all started right around $48, which was also a nice area of consolidation in the pre-market trading session. So basically, I wanted to get back down to that level, basically in a nutshell, because that's where it all started in the intraday trading session. We gave up all of that price action for Friday's intraday session, right? So we're getting back down to this area. We're giving back 17% there from that session. So we're getting back into those initial points where all the action started, and where a lot of people still have are still going to have shares in Virgin Galactic because of all the action that happened after that throughout the trading session on Friday. So we had that support level retraced all throughout yesterday. It never got down there, so we didn't take any positions. Let's pull it back up again here. So the $48 level is right here. Let's do 48.03, that's fine. So that was our support for intraday Friday. This was our support zone, $48, right where the action all happened. Now, yesterday we really wanted to trade it, obviously, but we couldn't because nothing made sense. It's extremely hard to trade a stock the day after it has a 40% day. It's very hard to find a safe entry point. So you can see that we did bounce off support on Monday from Friday's trading session. That would have been a great entry, and looking back, kind of wish I took that trade. However, in our intraday or in our pre-market session today, let's go ahead and just see if we can get today off the screen. So today I pulled up Virgin Galactic before the market opened, and I noticed two significant things here. We had strong resistance here and strong support in the next trading session. So what you can do with that, and what I did today before the market opened, was I turned resistance into support and created this trading zone. And you can see today, this is right where we took our buy. Basically, we had double support, right? So we never buy stock for one reason. Obviously, we never buy stock because we feel good about it. we always take a trade from when it has multiple reasons to support our decision. And so we had 2 support areas here, and we were selling off pretty hard before that. And so it was, in my opinion, a significant point in the stock to have a reaction. Now, I don't like to think of this as a bounce opportunity. It is a bounce opportunity, but for lack of a better word, let's consider this a area of reaction, a point in the stock where a reaction is naturally going to happen, right? And that's exactly what we did. So if you pull up our trades on screen here. All right, so you can see just how confident we were in this supply, or in this support zone right here. So we bought 200 shares at 48.32. We were dipping. We were actually in the red. Bought more shares, about 100 more at 48.31, 200 more at 47.97, and then 500 more at 47.93. So we were in the red over $100, and we added 500 more shares. We were very confident in this support zone, and we traded this all the way up to our most recent area of support, which was right at $49. We got filled at $48.88 and locked in $826 on this one trade. Now, we took profits on this trade a little early because of how hard we were selling off in the trading session, and also because we're still coming off of an insane 40% day, so the stock has plenty of margin to give back to the market. So we wanted to be careful on that and not hold it for too long. If this was any other situation and I ran into this area here, I probably would have traded the support zone up to our center VWAP and taken profits there, or at least the 200-day moving average on the 1-year chart, or on the 1-day chart. However, I didn't do that because this stock has been so volatile, and with stocks that are moving in such a dramatic way like that, we want to make sure not to be in for too long. So that's exactly what we did there. And moral of the story is let me just pull this up to the 5-minute chart again. So we traded here Friday, and we also traded on Tuesday. We did not trade on Monday because Monday we did have a support zone here, but there wasn't enough confidence. There was only one reason to buy it there. There was only one reason to buy, because of a recent support zone, and I like to have numerous reasons to buy something. But hey, our patience created another opportunity, right? Because this bounce here caused us to retrace this zone here where resistance is turning into support, and it gave us another opportunity in the next day. So it's just a lesson where patience pays off. Just by being patient, we were able to see something that was likely to happen in the future, and we were able to make a smarter trade and a much more confident trade, right? We want our trades to be confident. We don't want to stress about them. And yesterday, when we could have traded Virgin Galactic, we just diverted our attention to something else that made more sense. We traded QuantumScape yesterday and made over $1,000 on QuantumScape and over $200 on it today. So we are right on track for the week, locking in over $1,000 in gains per day. Now our portfolio is down today with our swing trades and the trades that we're holding long. However, we are still on goal to lock in at least $1,000 of margin into our portfolio each day, and we're going to continue to try to do that throughout the rest of the week. So hey, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Please consider liking the video. It really helps me out. I look forward to doing a lot more videos like this, and hopefully in the future I could put something up that really helps you out again. So please consider subscribing to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care.